Here's a little update here on our chicken run we're building. I got my headers up there. Right here is going to be the doorway. These are all pressure treated wood. I got them nailed to the concrete post. Alright, next up. Okay, I got one section done. Well, I got all the ceiling joists and the rafters installed in the first section. And I'll continue onward to the next two sections. Here's a quick update on my chicken run build. All the blocks on the bottom are all in. Framed the opening out with some pressure treated wood. Got the roof framing up. I'm going to put some mixed match of clear panels and some solid roofing panels up on the roof. Up above there we got room for some storage. And here's the hardware cloth at the bottom, top footer or so. I have the regular chicken wire. I'll put that all the way around. Like I said, that up there could be storage. Alright, that's just a little quick update on my chicken run.